just got back from Nashville, Tennessee. It was a fabulous trip. Got to see the music scene downtown. I've heard about it for years, never been there. Got a chance to see what that was all about. But the reason we were in town is for the Know Your Numbers Nashville event, the workshop that we're doing around the country. This was 1 out of 13. And so we had a group of contractors that came together and really learned how to calculate their numbers, build their budgets, their production capacity, learn how to price their company's services properly.
I'm here today to get my numbers squared away, make sure that I'm operating correctly and not backwards, because like you said, I want to own a business and not just a job that pays all right. So I'm looking to achieve that today.
On Saturday, we had a special guest, Dave Tucker, the founder of Clip Software, who retired from Maryland to Tennessee, stopped by and gave us a pretty cool talk on the importance of knowing your man-hour rating and your services and job costing. And so feedback was tremendous.
But now, after going through the event and getting taught everything in depth, I'm extremely confident in what I need to do moving forward and how I need to price my projects to be profitable in all aspects of the project.
I would definitely recommend coming to this event because it's necessary to know your numbers, to be a profitable company, to have a real company, and not just be out here winging it.
Definitely come to the event, take a lot of notes, and I'm going to implement the systems and see how they work, and I have a feeling they're going to work flawlessly. It was definitely worth the cost.
Ian's a mastermind when it comes to numbers, and thanks to the spectacular spreadsheets and the expertise of Ian, it's going to happen this time. It's definitely worth it because the alternative is not making changes in your company, continuing to lose where you don't know you're losing. And so, like some of the other guys said, just making a small adjustment can recoup the cost that it costs to come to know your numbers.
Had a chance to have my brother-in-law come out from Cape Cod. He flew down there with us and attended. He's a window cleaning contractor. The rest were landscaping companies from Tennessee and Georgia, I believe. And so what's next? Up next is speaking at the Cape Cod Landscape Association tonight. And tomorrow morning we'll be in Baltimore, Maryland for workshop number 2, Know Your Numbers.